guys, how are you? In this video we'll show you how can we change the battery for Sony Xperia ZL. I will show you the fast way and the easy way. We need a screwdriver, some part for the plastic part as this, and but anyway, this is the new battery. I get it from eBay. This is look like new. It's good. This is the 4.2 volt. We'll use it now. Okay, we start. Okay, first of all, we have to check the battery. There is nothing. Okay, because the problem of this kind of problem, first look, how can you decide this is problem of battery or not? With this case, look, we let it by Android. This is when the start of the Android system, and then shut it down. Okay, on this case we take a decision that we have to replace another battery. Okay, we start with this. So we go ahead. There is two screws here. With a screwdriver we can open them as this. We let it in this place. This bare thing we have to bring a magnet is better, because with the magnet you can I have some magnets here, so I have to put a magnet, and then we have to open the other screws. The other screw is here. Okay, and then we bring this, or just with finger. Me, I use this. I find it is better as this side, and this side too as this. That's it. Yeah, that's it. It's finished. We keep this cover here, this cover of the SIM card too. And then we have to remove each part carefully, because there is some part you have to avoid to damage, as the screen or the headset or the camera. Okay, we open this first. We open this, and we open this too. We open this, the battery side, and this for the digitizer is that one. For the camera and the speaker and everything, we remove this one too. Okay, that's it. We have to remove this screw carefully. We have to remove it as this. We have to open it, and the better thing, you have to put your magnet in this side and to put your screw in this. Now you can understand where is the outside screws and the inside screws. Okay, it's not a difficult part, it's too easy. Just you have to take your time and go slowly, not fast, because you have to fix it alone. You don't need help. Okay, in this case we have to remove this one. Is this for the charge outlet for the one here to remove it. This one too, we have to remove it. That's it. Take this. I have another the flat screwdriver. You have to put it here, put it to here. Okay, there is, you have to click here, you know, click on this side. We have to put this, we have to remove this one too. There is a yeah, it's that one. It's that one. It's this. Okay. Now we have everything here. So we have to remove for the bottom card this screw. The small one is black, so all the time is different color. This is the NFC. To remove this for the control on the mic and everything. I have to remove this. Okay, forget this, but this is the mother card. Okay, now we remove the battery. This is the battery. Okay, now we finished to disassembly this file. Now we start to replace the new battery. First of all, we have to put it here slowly. That's it. This side. Put your mother card this way. Don't forget the snaps here. There is some things you have to understand, because there is a small thing. You have to take this one on this side, and this one too for the digitizer, the LCD. This we finished. We plug this is better. Let's plug this and this and this. We have to plug this and this. Should be okay. Okay. Digitizer. We have to plug this too. This and this. We have to plug this one too. And then this, I guess, is that one. Okay, we have to plug it. This is the new one. I'm sure they're the new one. Yeah, we have to put that one here. Put the camera. Is too easy to plug it. You don't need the technique or some. That's a small technique. That's it. That's what you need. We put this one here and we test it. Test our battery. I guess it's working 100%. Yeah, I have to check if the battery is charging or not. Sometimes when we get a battery from the eBay, we find it. I hope so. It's a good battery. have to wait until the phone starts. I guess it's good. I guess it's good. Okay, we have to put that one. We have to put again the screw for the mother card. I guess everything is here, and then we start to put the cover. All the time, pay attention. All the time there is a small screws for the cover. It's not the cover, for the part, the clamp of the charger outlet. There is the stainless steel part. This is okay. I guess we have to put again. We have to put our screws in this area. This area we have to put it. In this area we have to put it here. We have to put this one too here. What is it? What is it? That's it. Finished our job. Our job is finished. That's it. So check is all the time. Put this one in this side. This and close it. This is the good way to put the cover. It's too easy to put it. Then we open this, and again put two screws, that one here, and the other one on the other side. That's it. That's it. Just we have to wait until the system finished. Yes, it's finished. Okay. Okay. It's good. This is our system. It's good. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share our video. Thank you and goodbye, guys. Bye.